Hi, Phil from Wins Technical Centre here. During our training, we have lots of opinions about the use of oil additives, sometimes good, sometimes bad. So let's take a look at the benefits of an oil additive and when to use them. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos on our professional product range. There are two occasions where we would actually use an oil additive. One is preventative maintenance at service. The other is when the engine has a problem. So let's take a look at the first one, preventative maintenance. Here we would add engine protector as part of the service. So when we carry out the oil and filter change, we add engine protector to the new oil. This will help to support the oil, provide vital lubrication to the engine, and prevent the buildup of contamination during the service period. In turn, this will help to reduce wear, reduce friction, and reduce low-speed pre-ignition. We always like to say a smooth engine is an efficient engine. The other instance that we use an oil additive is as a curative treatment. We may have an engine that's showing signs of wear, we may have smoke from the exhaust, we may have poor starting, we may have an engine that's got a little bit of wear which is causing a little bit of noise. Here we can add supercharge to the oil system. We can add supercharge at any time during the service period. This will help to improve compression, reduce oil consumption and oil burning, will help to add a viscosity index improver to the oil to support the oil through a range of temperatures and provide vital protection to that engine. Both oil treatments, engine protector and supercharge, are fully compatible with all engine oils, are low SAPS compatible, so suitable for vehicles with particulate filters, and are able to be used in all engines for petrol, diesel and hybrid vehicles. For more information on our complete professional product range, you can speak to your local spares parts shop, visit our website, or download the Wins Expert app. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Under the Hood videos.